Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tootie. So I have a new video for you guys today. I'm doing a new set. I already prepped her nail. If you want to see how I prep nails for gel or acrylic application, you can I'll leave a link in the top and you can click that. But yeah, I've already prepped her nail, and what I'm doing is I'm just putting a clear base on all her nails to start. So we are obviously doing a new set. We're doing some pre-wedding nails, so these are like trial wedding nails. She's getting married next month and she wanted to do like a test run. This is a different shape for her, a little bit longer length than she's used to. So she was like, she gave me her colors, and her colors are green, black, and silver. As you can see, you'll be able to see her ring. It's like a nice emerald. Is it emerald green? I don't know. It's like a dark green. And so those are basically what her colors are based off, and she wanted me to incorporate it some kind of way with the wedding type design. So I decided that maybe, as you saw in the picture, incorporate it in subtle ways with some rhinestones so that it's not too much or overpowers the nails or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoy this this design. I am using Mia Secret today. I'm going to be using their Cover Beige. Have I used their Cover Beige? No. This is my first time using their Cover Beige, and I really liked it. Still, Mia Secret Cover Pink is my favorite, but I need to order some more. So I used what I have. I'm definitely going to order more of the Cover Pink because I just love it so much. Cover Beige was okay. It wasn't as, I don't know, I felt like it could have been more pigmented. It doesn't cover as good as the Cover Pink does. The Cover Pink has really good coverage. So I definitely will be going back to that, but I used what I had and she ended up loving it. So I worked with it, worked through it, you know. And this nail, you'll be able to see that I had to keep going over. I should have put more on, but I like to do a little bit of acrylic. Excuse that with my phone. I have to do like a little bit of acrylic at a time because I am going to encapsulate it. So I don't, whenever I do colored acrylic, I like to do it as thin as I can since I am going to encapsulate it. And I always like put the clear base on so I could file it down when they come back instead of having to do a new set or whatever. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. We are doing pink and white ombre, which is beige and white ombre. In this case, the white is glow in the dark. If you guys like to know how to make glow in the dark acrylic powder, please let me know and I'll do that for you guys. But enjoy. Thanks for watching.